Good morning, good morning. It's Saturday morning, March 28th, release day for the Jordan 3 Easters. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts on that sneaker. Also, the Travis Scott Jumpman Jackson, that flash green colorway, released this morning as well, but I definitely passed on those. But comment down below, let me know your thoughts on the sneakers that released today. We're gonna go in Ross right now because it's right next door to the hibbett that I won on the raffle on, and I'm about to see if they have any surprises in here in Ross. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I come back with another video. So we're gonna take a quick look through at Ross. This is the ladies section, so I need to go. Oh, the men's section is on the other side of the store. Man, I know a lot of people probably not checking for these Jordan 3s Easter, but me personally, I wanted them. I already have my fit to rock with them, and I'm gonna bust them out on Easter Sunday when I go to worship service. So we walking up to the men's section. We got a lot of slides and Crocs type shoes over here. We got the big boy section, men. Oh my God, look at this shoe. I know my feet are big, but man, what size is this and what are these? I'm curious. I got to see the size. That shoe look huge. It is a size 16. Y'all see that? 16. Well, ain't much I can say about that because they're just one size bigger than some of my shoes. Man, do my feet look that big? My shoes look that big when I do on feet? Comment down below. Oh man, what are these Pumas? LaMelo Ball. Yeah, I see why those here in Ross dress for less. You could have kept those. Got some Fortnite slides. There y'all go. $14.99. Wait, what? They got the Dion/LeBrons in here. A size 16. Man, look. And what's the price on them? Brand new. If it was my size, I probably would inquire about the price. And they got the alarms on these shoes. You touch them, y'all hearing those beeps? Yeah, that's the alarms on the shoes. So they making sure there's no theft taking place when you're in these stores. It's a shame that they gotta do that, but these are the times we are in. At work, I see a lot of people come through with these. Hey, dudes. Not sure when and where that wave started, but yeah, that is a very popular shoe right now. I'm still looking. I see a Vomero over here, right there. Not a colorway that I would rock. This looks like a Ja Morant or something. Oh, this is a LeBron with the theme or yin yang per se. Nah, it's not. Oh, we got a DN8. Yeah. I got light work in here. Nothing too fancy. So we're gonna leave out of this Ross dress for less and go next door to our Hibbett Sports and pick up our Jordan 3 Easter. This was my first time hitting at that location. I've never been to this location before, so we're gonna go in here and see what's happening. I'm not sure they're gonna let me vlog in here, but let's see. All right, I'm coming out of the Hibbett store, and this little store associate had a very nasty attitude. I got a reward on my account, and she would not use it, talking about she not putting her job in jeopardy, and she's on FaceTime on a call with somebody talking about she's not busy. I'm very upset. I'm probably gonna bring this shoe back because the only reason I was buying it was I had a reward on it. But we're gonna look at the shoe, give y'all this content. And look what your boy got on feet today. Jordan 3, J Balvin's, baby. Representing for the threes. So we gonna go and look at these threes. Now that I done calmed down. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm bringing these back to Hibbett. The more and more I think about it, because the shoes came to $235 and I only got 16 points in reward. So she didn't do anything. She did something wrong. And I already talked to someone that worked for Hibbett and they said, no, something ain't right. So I'm definitely bringing them back. Okay, we're going to look at these real quick. Like I said, got these from Hibbett Sports. And like I said, these will be going back due to several things that went wrong during this transaction. Mainly a rude associate. This will not reflect or change my view of Hibbett. As you see the top of the box, it's like that lavender colorway with like a greenish elephant print. Jordan Jumpman as well, 3/4. Give you guys a 360 of the box. That's how it looks. And we're gonna give you guys a look at that box tag. There you go. Air Jordan 3 Retro OG. Color is Sail, Jade, Aura, and this is a side fitting V-Nard. So we're going to get them out the box. There y'all go. We got lock stamp right there. Quality control. We got that elephant print paper. And look at these in the box. I know they're not for everyone, but these are nice. These are nice. I like them. They're going to look good on my feet. And with my fit I got prepared for Easter. So, there you go. Size tag. Size fitting. Production date June 25th to October the 2nd. So, a little over 3 months of production with these. Yeah, I like these. I know a lot of people won't like them. I'm on the lonely highway with these, but you got the stars, but I'm good. I like standing out. Shit, I'm the only child, so it's all good. So comment down below. Let me know what you think of the situation that I endured at Hibbett Sports. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, but like I always tell you guys, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting a sneaker. I'm TitanicFeetJack, signing out.